Think your dog loves treats? Wait until you see what's really at the top of their happiness list. From everyday habits to unexpected favorites, these are the 12 things dogs absolutely love, and doing them will make your pup happier, healthier, and even more obsessed with you. Welcome back to Doggy Pedia, your go-to spot for everything dog-related, from training tips to tail-wagging facts. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a chance to make your dog's life even better. Alright, let's jump in, because your dog's new favorite thing might be on this list. 1. Squeaky Toys. Dogs go crazy for squeaky toys, and it's not just because they're fun to chew on. The high-pitched squeak triggers their natural prey drive, making playtime feel like an exciting hunt. That little noise mimics the sounds of small animals, which instantly grabs their attention and keeps them engaged. Even if your dog isn't much of a hunter, the squeak still adds an extra layer of excitement, making the toy more fun than a regular one. To keep your dog happy, make squeaky toys a part of your play routine. You can use them for a fun game of fetch, tug of war, or even hide and seek by squeaking the toy and letting your dog track it down. If your pup loves chewing, look for durable squeaky toys that can handle their bite. Just be sure to check the toys regularly. Some dogs get so excited that they try to tear out the squeaker. Always supervise playtime to keep it safe and fun. 2. Soft blankets. Dogs love the feeling of a soft, warm blanket. It gives them comfort, security, and the perfect spot for a cozy nap. Whether they're curling up on the couch, in their bed, or even on your lap, a good blanket makes rest time even better. You can always make sure they have one by keeping a soft blanket in their favorite sleeping area, or even sharing yours during cuddle time. If your dog gets anxious when you're away, leaving them with a blanket that smells like you can help them feel more at ease. Just remember to wash it regularly so it stays fresh and comfy. 3. Car rides. Dogs love car rides because they get to experience new sights, smells, and the thrill of adventure. The feeling of the wind on their face and the excitement of going somewhere, even if it's just a quick trip, makes every ride special. You can always make this a fun routine by taking them on short, safe outings, like a drive to the park or a pet store visit. Just be sure to keep them secure with a seatbelt harness or crate and never leave them alone in a parked car. With the right precautions, car rides can be an exciting way to bond with your pup. 4. Tennis balls. Dogs love tennis balls. They're the perfect size for carrying around, chewing on, or chasing after in a game of fetch. Some dogs even treat them like a prized treasure, proudly parading them around the house. You can always make playtime fun by keeping a few tennis balls handy for a quick game in the backyard or at the park. Just be sure to choose pet-safe ones since regular tennis balls can wear down their teeth over time. 5. Sniffing Everything. Dogs experience the world through their noses, and sniffing is like reading a book full of exciting stories for them. Every scent tells them something: who passed by, what's new in the neighborhood, or even if another dog was just there. That's why they stop at every tree, bush, or lamppost on walks. It's not just a habit, it's their way of gathering information and making sense of their surroundings. Rushing them through a walk without letting them sniff is like flipping through a book without reading a single page. You can always encourage their natural curiosity by giving them plenty of sniffing time on walks. Instead of hurrying to finish, try slowing down and letting them explore. Sniffing games at home, like hiding treats or using a snuffle mat, can also keep their nose and mind active. Allowing your dog to follow their nose doesn't just make them happy, it keeps them mentally stimulated and engaged with the world around them. 6th Food puzzle. Food puzzles are like a fun challenge for your dog. They have to figure out how to get the treat, which keeps their brain busy and makes mealtime more exciting. Instead of just eating from a bowl, they get to sniff, paw, and nudge their way to a tasty reward. This taps into their natural problem-solving skills and can help prevent boredom, especially when they're home alone. Plus, it slows down fast eaters, which is great for digestion. You can always make food puzzles part of your dog's routine by switching things up. Try store-bought puzzle toys, hide treats around the house for a fun scavenger hunt, or even make your own by putting kibble inside a muffin tin covered with tennis balls. It's an easy way to keep your dog entertained while giving them a little mental workout, and they'll love the tasty prize at the end. 7. Sunbathing. There's nothing like feeling the warm sun on your skin, and dogs love it just as much. Many dogs enjoy stretching out in a sunny spot, whether it's by a window, on the porch, or in the backyard. It helps them feel cozy and relaxed, especially on a cool day. To make sunbathing a regular treat, you can set up a comfy spot for your dog near a sunny window or take them outside for a short, supervised sun session. Just make sure they don't overheat. If it gets too warm, offer some shade and fresh water to keep them comfortable. 8. Digging. Dogs love to dig, it's in their nature. Whether they're making a cool spot in the dirt, burying a treasured toy, or fluffing up their bed before lying down, digging is a fun and satisfying activity for them. If your pup enjoys digging, you can give them a designated digging area in the yard, or take them to a dog-friendly beach where they can dig in the sand. For indoor dogs, a soft blanket or a digging toy filled with treats can give them a similar thrill. Letting them dig in the right places keeps them happy while saving your garden or furniture from unwanted holes. 9. Chewing on bones. Dogs love chewing on bones. It keeps them busy, satisfies their natural chewing instincts, and even helps clean their teeth. Whether it's a real bone, a durable chew toy, or a dental chew, giving your pup something safe to gnaw on can prevent boredom and destructive chewing on things they shouldn't. Always choose dog-friendly bones that won't splinter and supervise them while they chew to keep them safe. Making this a regular part of their routine is a simple way to keep them happy and their teeth in good shape. 10. Your scent. As mentioned, dogs have an incredible sense of smell, and nothing is more comforting to them than your scent. Whether it's a worn t-shirt, a blanket, or even your shoes, anything that carries your smell makes them feel safe and close to you, even when you're not around. That's why some dogs love curling up in your laundry pile or stealing your socks. Your scent reminds them of their favorite person and gives them a sense of security, especially when they're feeling anxious or alone. You can use this to help your dog feel more comfortable in different situations. If you ever have to leave them alone, try leaving a shirt or blanket that smells like you in their bed. It can make them feel less anxious. If your dog struggles with sleeping in a new place, bringing something with your scent can help them settle in. It's a simple but powerful way to reassure your pup and remind them that you're always with them, even when you're not physically there. 11. Rolling in grass. Rolling in the grass is one of those little joys that dogs just can't resist. It's like a full-body scratch, a fun way to pick up new scents, and just pure joy all rolled into one. You've probably seen your dog flop onto their back, wiggle around, and look completely happy while doing it. The texture of the grass feels great on their skin, and sometimes they're just trying to cover themselves in interesting smells they find outside. To let your dog enjoy this simple pleasure, take them to a safe, grassy area where they can roll freely. Whether it's in your backyard or a pet-friendly park, letting them have these little moments of happiness is an easy way to keep them entertained and relaxed. 12. Watching the world go by. Dogs love to sit back and watch the world go by, whether it's through a window, from a balcony, or while lounging in the yard. The movement of people, other animals, and even rustling leaves can keep them entertained for hours. It's their way of staying curious and engaged with their surroundings. If your dog enjoys this, you can set up a comfy spot by a window or take them outside for some supervised people watching. Even a short break on a park bench together can be a fun way for them to take in the sights, sounds, and smells of the world around them. Your dog's happiness is in the little things, chasing a ball, soaking up the sun, or just hanging out with you. These simple joys make their world brighter, and the best part? You get to be a part of it. Whether it's a fun car ride, a cozy blanket, or a good old-fashioned game of fetch, making time for what they love strengthens your bond and keeps their tails wagging. So why not make every day extra special for them? If you had fun with this list, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more ways to keep your pup happy. Got a fun quirk or favorite thing your dog absolutely loves? Share it in the comments. We'd love to hear all about it. And if you know a fellow dog lover who would enjoy this, share this video with them. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.